Hello everybody, welcome back. Wow, since very long time, I think about 1.5 months ago, I adopted this edamame, and yeah, it's actually donated by someone lah, who have spares. So she asked me whether she can put on my site, and of course I say why not. Yeah, and I waited for about 1.5 months. Finally, they are ready to be eaten. See, got 3 pots over here, and wow, I love it. So over here got how many stalks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I think, and 10. Yeah, or 11. Yeah, so 11 stalks of edamame, and I don't know how many gram I will harvest today. Anyway, edamame, same as other beans family, it's good to grow them because they are nitrogen fixer. So you can grow them as a companion plant. Yeah, of course this bayam is too old already lah, and this grasshopper eating my bayam. So yeah, never mind, this one I don't care. I'm going to what do you call, I'm going to compose them anyway. Yeah, so back to edamame, peanuts, okay, and any beans related. I'm not too sure whether long beans are one of them or not, but then edamame peanut confirm is a nitrogen fixer, so you can grow them over here on the sideway, and the rest will be all your vegetable, and you might not need to put in any more fertilizer in future. Yeah, because they fix the nitrogen inside the soil. So yeah, you might not need to feed them any more nitrogen. And of course, it's a good practice to do a swap, meaning don't plant the same vegetable. Okay, always swap. Maybe this time round is vegetable, next time round fruiting vegetable, and alternate lah. Okay, that's why you call crops rotating. Okay, so you can plant 1 or 2 peanut or edamame together with vegetable, so that they will feed your vegetable with a lot of natural nitrogen. And of course, after 1.5 months, you can eat. Okay, so without further ado, let's harvest them. I'm going to harvest all by cutting, and yeah, later on I will update you guys. So I'll pause the video over here. Oh yeah, they grow in one branch one, so it's like one whole branch, so you need to cut them like this, or cut as one whole branch. Okay, so cut one whole branch. Yeah. Okay. I think my scissors is not that strong or sharp. Let's try one more time. Over here. Let's cut. No. Yeah. So one branch may have 3 to 4 or more. Okay, over here, I think okay, as long as the stem over here is dry, means your edamame is ready. Yeah, because the pot is quite big, and yeah, the stem here is dry already so meaning all of here can be harvested. All you can see is dry already.